So now that we knew how to haul the camper and not have it roll at us in our driveway, it was time to make it feel like home. Because for us, it was really important that we made it feel like home ahead of time. So when we pulled out of our driveway for the last time, it didn't feel like we were leaving home behind, and we both had emotional breakdowns. So
yeah, and there was a lot to buy because we couldn't take a lot of the stuff from our house and put it in the camper because it didn't fit. We needed like smaller size things. We needed to take all of the storage space that there was in the camper and kind of figure out like where are command hooks gonna go, where are the organizers gonna go. So we had a lot of stuff to buy to kind of customize the trailer for what we needed. We discovered within 3.5 minutes that we were going to need to buy a better mattress.
Yeah, I would say 30 seconds actually.
So there was a lot of things that we had to order. Amazon Prime got very familiar with our house, and
that was such a fun time.
We were super excited when we would go to the store. We were buying our camping chairs. We were just getting everything ready for the lifestyle and making the trailer feel like home.
Please don't break this. And I think what was unique for our situation is we used the money to sell all of our stuff that we had in the house to buy the new things. So
we actually looked like drug dealers because I had a fanny pack full of cash that I would take into the Home Depot and just dish it out.
Things have been moving pretty quickly lately, and we realized we forgot to show you something pretty important on this journey, which is the entire camper. This is the outdoor party center. As soon as you open it, obviously the party begins. We have the mini fridge right here. So this will be really nice for extra drinks. Over here, we have extra countertop, which is really nice. And then we have a sink that we can't turn on because it broke as soon as we tried to turn it on. The coolest part is this right here. But check this out. That's pretty cool. All right, come on in. This is our new home. As Beth and I start to get annoyed at each other. All right, so we've got the bed, which is a camper queen. And we've got lots and lots of storage. So we each have our side of the bed. And these are our nightstands. And there's a little cubby under there that we haven't quite figured out what you're supposed to do with it yet. That's probably where our dirty clothes are going to go. Or things Beth tells me I can't bring, and then I just hide them from her later. This was really funny. Last night we were in the camper and I hadn't opened the windows yet. And I said, how do you open this? What do you do? And she said, bus windows. And right away, I knew that meant that you have to pinch in and up. And then nostalgia kicked in. Over here is the dinette area, and it's huge. Lots of overhead storage, big, beautiful window, and then there's also storage underneath the seating, which is really nice. So it does have the double basin sink, which is nice for when you're doing dishes. And it has the mini version of our faucet that we have in our house already, which is cute. Big bathroom, and in here we have even more storage, which it's a little confusing. We're not sure if it's meant to be shirts or what's supposed to happen in there. That's actually not little, that's quite a bit of storage space behind the mirror. More storage over here. Check it out. He did something where he banged on this like a monkey and said that you could do that in this camper, but not to ever do it in any other camper. So I bet that's good.
But that's because of the durability of the ceiling.
Okay, so we have a pretty good ceiling is what I'm hearing. Hi, do you want to show me how to use our toilet?
You depress it halfway and it fills with water.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. And then you pee and use the special toilet paper, and then you press that all the way down when you go to flush.
Am I gonna get stuck through? Okay, so you pee, and then you get up and you just push it really hard. Oh wait, What does this say? Add water to flush. Pour actionner la chasse de u para pasar el agua.
That's not your language.
Is
Your
it?
language is to add water into flush.
Okay. How
Okay.
much toilet paper do I use?
Well, I mean, be kind.
Do you put the toilet paper in the toilet or do you throw it away?
No, you put it in the toilet. But it's a special kind, so it disintegrates easier in our tank.
Have you peed?
No.
Okay. Okay. Do I hold it or do I let go?
Will you eventually let go?
All right. I think I did it. You're recording?
Oh, and look at that water come out.
It's not warm.
Yeah, that's because we don't have our water heater turned on.
Can we heat it with electric?
I don't know.
I thought you could turn the water heater that. No, that's
No.
propane. Okay.
Whoa. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Do I need to move? Is it going to?
No, I'm not gonna go fast.
God, it is going very fast.
Good research, sweetheart. My back is really. Next up, we have pop-up safety cones.
Yes.
Next up, we have a digital tire gauge, and then there's glitter. What is this?
Oh, the GoPro. GoPro accessories.
yeah! But watch this. Our last package. Do this.
Oh.
Like that.
Wow.
Why the fuck will we need something this big? This is bigger than our trailer. This is quite literally bigger than our trailer. It can't even fit in our house. I'm not kidding you. Why the fuck with a 24-foot trailer would we need something this big? This is 24 feet.
Sweetheart, it has nothing to do with the trailer size. It's just how big you want your spot to be outside of it.
You want a spot bigger than your whole trailer. On the ground. Outside. You know what Mark and Trish had? He rolled it out like an Aladdin carpet. In what world would we need this? Riddle me that, Batman. Low key, what's happening right now?
Low key, I was just going 48 and a 35, and this lovely police officer was simply sitting in a parking lot. And now he's pulled out behind us, and he's definitely running your plates and looking up and looking back down and running your plates.
Oh, there's two of them now.
And
But wait, there's more.
oh, yep, there it is.
What the?
Oh, they're leaving.
They're leaving. Everyone get out of the way! Woo!
All right, Scarlett, we gotta cool it.
Yeah, you're pretty noticeable in this red truck. Nothing to hide behind, eh?
Yeah, when we passed him, I said, damn it, Scarlett, why do you have to be so beautiful? I think we were about to be pulled over, but something more significant happened. So we're just gonna turn down the AC/DC, bring our heart rate back down, still be beautiful,
And praise Jesus.
and praise Jesus.